how to delete my 24K inbox in my Yahoo Mail on computer in just a few clicks. So okay guys, here in your Yahoo Mail homepage or dashboard, okay, you can see here on left side the inbox. So I have 24K mail on my inbox. So okay guys, to delete this or remove the email in just a few clicks, okay, you'll have to do is go to inbox. Here in inbox, okay, go to arrow on the top of the email, okay, click this on the side of this box and select all. Okay, you can see the option here, but you can select all. Okay, click all and the pop-up will show. Okay, now here click the select all 25,000 message here on my Yahoo account. So okay, you can delete in one click. Okay, you'll have to do is click the delete icon, okay, here in the top of this email, okay, to delete the 25,282 message. Okay, click this and delete message. Are you sure you want to move to 25,000 message conversation to your trust? Okay, you'll have to do is click OK button. And that's it. Okay, deleting the 25,000 message on my Yahoo Mail account. So you can see here the percentage of delete. Okay, we have successfully deleted the 14%. So to 20%. So you can wait until the 100% delete your inbox. Okay. And okay guys, 96%. So 4% more to delete all message on your inbox, and that's it. Okay, we have successfully deleted all inbox in your Yahoo Mail. Okay, your inbox filter is empty. And okay guys, we have successfully deleted all 25,000 message or email on my Yahoo account using computer.